It's email. It's voice. It's family. I had this guy leave me a voicemail, so I called him at home.
Acum am luat una electiv Sana.
Bravo.
Uite, acum am văzut sunt de roșii și inactiv. E acoperit pe total.
Where you had one phone number and one answering machine, and that one answering machine housed one cassette tape, and that one cassette tape either had a message from the guy or it didn't. And now, I'm taking all these different photos just to get rejected. What about the MySpace guy? Dude,
Que saudade faz?
I felt like we connected. Great. What is? We wanted to do kiss us. Well, I guess we and then again, there might have been a little but I'll continue to question your answer. Hello?
Oh, hey, Simone.
Where am I supposed to be?
Out? Saturday night.
You won't let me go out and guys don't like me. Kind of limiting.
I was still with a message to let you know I'm having a party next week in Chicago.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, Connor here? Maybe.
No, you know what? He's got a real estate company from D.C., so I bet there'll be a lot of single guys.
Oh, there will be plenty of chances for me to be awkward.
Don't worry. I'll be there. I'll talk you through it. Yeah, okay, gotta go. Some of the stuff I need to put out.
Oh, sugar, see, I shouldn't have told you first.